हेलो दोस्तों, कैसी चल रही है आपकी तैयारी? होप यू आर स्टडिंग वेल एंड सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक प्लीज़ bell hit the subscribe button and all notification bell icon so that you will be notified for upcoming videos. So today we will discuss about the important anti-tubercular drugs and their side effect with the mnemonics. Okay, so this is the very important topic for NEET PG AIMS All India and nursing MBBS students, all other exams, USMLE pleb, etc. So we will see 4 side effects: hyperuricemia, peripheral neuropathy, hepatitis and optic neuritis. And this is every year this has been asked in some of the other exam. So let's begin with the drugs, side effect and the mnemonic. This order we will go. Hyperuricemia is seen in ethambutol and pyrazinamide. Okay, so you should remember hyperuricemia. We will take U from hyperuricemia, E from ethambutol and P for pyrazinamide. Then it becomes PU, PEU, PU. PU could be a name of some person or something like that. So hyperuricemia seen with ethambutol and pyrazinamide. Then comes the peripheral neuropathy, which is seen in 4 drugs of anti-tubercular regimen: streptomycin, INH, ethambutol and ethionamide. So here the mnemonic goes like new store in Etawah. Etawah is a name of city in India, in Uttar Pradesh, UP state. So there is a new store which also opens on Itwar. Itwar means Sunday. So most of the store are closed on Sunday, but this new store in Etawah, new means neuropathy. So here we are taking neuropathy ka new, store means streptomycin, in means INH, and ethambutol is Etawah, and opens on Itwar means on Sunday. This is ethionamide. Then comes the hepatitis. For these 4 drugs are responsible: isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide and ethionamide. For this the mnemonic is there is a girl E.T. Her name is E.T. and she has got the rifle and she is very happy with this rifle. She can kill anybody who bothers her. So E.T., this girl name, is happy with Pyari rifle. Pyari means lovely. In Hindi, Pyari we call to lovely. So E.T. is happy with Pyari rifle. This is E.T. and she has got the rifle. So isoniazid, rifampicin, pyrazinamide and ethionamide. Then I want that you remember all this here itself so that you don't have to read it again. Then comes the optic neuritis, which is very simple. The isoniazid and ethambutol. Then you can see there are 2 eyes. I we can symbolically present it with I symbol. So I means I, and I goes for isoniazid, and ethambutol ka E goes for I, and this is optics. So I related to optic neuritis and it is seen in isoniazid and ethambutol. So again let me tell you, we were discussing about the anti-tubercular drugs and their side effect, and mnemonic we are discussing again I'm making you revise this thing so that you remember here itself. Hyperuricemia, which is seen with ethambutol and pyrazinamide. So if in one story you can remember these 4, PU, new store in Etawah, opens on Itwar, E.T. is happy with Pyari rifle, and I. So only 4 things you have to remember. These are the drugs, and I would like to ask you if you can take the screenshot so that only the this chart, as I explained, you can see the chart and remember this with the mnemonic. PU, new store in Etawah, opens on Itwar. Those who are from outside India, for those Etawah is the city in UP, just for the mnemonic purpose, and Itwar means Sunday. The new store opens on Sunday, and E.T. is this girl. She is happy. Happy means here hepatitis, and Pyari means pyrazinamide. Rifle means this. Rifampicin we are taking as rifle. Isoniazid is we taking as is. Happy means hepatitis, and ethionamide is E.T. So here it is like this, and the optic neuritis is I. So hope this will help you. Thank you very much. Keep preparing well. Stay confident, have faith in yourself and your preparation. Thank you guys. Hope this helps for you.